back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to frame a report of map or floor plan. This is usually asked in your academic task 1 writing. We have already discussed other types of report. For that you can watch my other videos. Today our focus will be on how to frame a report with map and floor plan. So basically, as I have already mentioned also, but today I am going to brief what is general format for report writing is. First we always write introduction. After that it will be your overview followed by 2 body paragraphs. You have to sum this report in minimum 150 words. There is no upper limit, but I will suggest at least write 170 to 190 words, not less than that. Okay. Now let's move. Basically, what is a map and floor plan? So as the name suggests, it generally type of question which compare 2 maps in different years with changes in the buildings, landmarks and infrastructure. It looks somewhat like this. Like you can see here 3 maps are given of 1960, 1980 and 2000. So you have to frame a report on this. Okay. So basically what are some tips and tricks that can help you for the map is, first thing you need to pay attention to the year in the picture and construct a report with appropriate tenses. Like whether it's about the past tense, present tense, future tense, they are framing something, they are proposing something. So you have to take care of the tenses in this. The 2 maps may take place in past, present or future. It's not always 2, it can be sometime 1 map, sometime 2, sometime 3, sometime 4 also. So you have to be very careful which year they are talking about. Accordingly, only you are going to frame your report, whether it's going to be in the past, present or future tense. Okay. Now how to describe specific changes. So make a note of these vocab, pause your video and make a note. For buildings we can say demolished, knocked down, flattened, replaced, renovated. These are certain vocab that can help you a lot in your map. Okay, for leisure facilities we can say it's opened, set up, developed. For road, bridges and railway line we can say constructed, built, extended, expanded and removed. So just make a note of these vocab. These will be very helpful while framing the report of a map. Fine. Now how to describe a general change. So we can say like this: over the period, the area witnessed dramatic changes. From 1995 to 2005, the city center saw spectacular developments. The village changed considerably over the time period. So these are certain ways how you can report the changes in your map. How to describe the location. This is very important. Whenever you're writing a report of map, always use to the right, to the left, north, south, east, west. Okay, so when you want to tell the location of particular place in the map or something, it's better if you mention based on north, south, east, west. If not, then you can say left, right, but better ways to mention based on north, south, east, west, southeast, northwest. These vocab will help you to gain good score when you're writing a map. So let's take one sample answer. Okay. So if we read, first thing whatever we do is we read the question very carefully. So the maps below show the changes that have taken place at Queen Mary Hospital since its construction in 1960. So all the things are in the past, 1960, 1980 and 2000. Summarize information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So if you see, let's see what are the most significant changes that have been done. In 1960, there were 4 things: shopping center, hospital, farmland, car park. Then if you see, hospital is a little bit, okay, there is a change in the hospital. Pharmacy is introduced in this. Instead of shopping center, cancer center is there. Instead of farmland, nursing school is there. Car park is always there. Okay. In 2000, further what is the changes? Cancer center has also okay, so nursing school space is half and cancer center has been enlarged, the area has increased. There is no change in the pharmacy and hospital, while car park is reduced to half. So basically, if you want, when you are planning your report, you can make a note also that here what are the changes. Shopping center in this is completely removed with cancer center and replaced with pharmacy. farmland is replaced with nursing school. Later, if we see, cancer center has doubled the area and nursing school is half the area. Nursing school and car park both are half area, while cancer center is doubled. There is no change in the pharmacy and hospital. This is only the thing that you have to write in your report, just in a little bit better vocab. So first thing what we write is the introduction. What we have written over here, we can see the diagram shows Queen Mary Hospital at 3 different stages in its development, that is 1960, 1980 and 2000. Pretty simple but very elaborative, describing whatever is there in your report. Then comes your overview. So overview, we write what is the most significant changes. So hospital definitely has increased in the size, and what are additions? In addition to a new nursing school, cancer center has been created and extended, hence the capacity of car parks has been reduced by the half. So what are the addition, what are the subtractions that we have mentioned in your overview. After that, we write the body paragraph. So we start from the first one, that is in 1960. The hospital was built close to a main road and next to a shopping center. Large area behind the hospital was turned into a car park, while the area behind the shopping center was farmland. So you can see the vocab behind, right? By 1980, now we have described the first diagram. Now by 1980, the shopping center has been demolished in order to make way for 2 additional shopping hospital buildings, which became a pharmacy and a cancer center. Furthermore, the hospital gained the farmland and converted into the nursing school. So first 2 diagrams we have mentioned in first body paragraph, second body paragraph. We have started with 2000. The main hospital building remained unchanged, but the cancer center was extended to cover the entire nursing school. As a result, the original car park was divided into 2, so that is provide a smaller car park and small nursing school. So you can see everything is described in a better way, right? Use the formal language, use vocabs, and this is how a map need to be written. Hopefully you guys have understood. If any doubt, you can mention in the comment box. Please subscribe to the channel because there are other videos to tell you. This is just one type of report. There are other 6 types of report. We have videos on that also, and we have videos for different modules. So you can subscribe and you can definitely go check out those videos. If any doubt, anytime you can mention in the comments. We are going to discuss on that.